In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit audio in CapCut PC step by step, so you can clean up voiceovers, trim out dead air, add music, and make your final video sound much more polished. Whether you're editing a talking head video, a tutorial, a vlog, or a short, these same tools will help you manage audio quickly and confidently. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your PC and load your project. Once your video clip is on the timeline, the easiest way to manage the sound is to separate the audio from the video if you need more control. To do that, right-click your video clip on the timeline and choose Extract Audio. CapCut will pull the sound out into its own track underneath the video, which makes it much easier to cut, move, and adjust without affecting the visuals. If you already have your own music, sound effects, or voiceover files, you can import them directly into the project as well. Just click Import in the top left media bin, choose your MP3 or WAV file, and then drag it down to the timeline. This is perfect if you recorded audio separately or downloaded a royalty-free music track that you want to use in your edit. CapCut also gives you a built-in audio library, which is really useful if you want to add background music or effects without leaving the app. Go to the Audio tab in the top left menu and you'll see a large collection of free tracks and sound effects. Browse through the options, preview what fits your video, and then drag the audio you want straight onto the timeline. Now let's talk about cutting and trimming audio, because this is where your edit starts to sound professional. If you want to remove pauses, mistakes, breaths, or awkward silence, zoom in on your timeline so you can clearly see the waveform. The waveform makes it much easier to spot silent spots and weak areas in the audio. To split the audio, move your playhead to the exact point where you want to make a cut. Then press Ctrl+B on Windows or CMD+B on Mac. That instantly slices the clip into two separate pieces. From there, click the part you don't want and press Delete on your keyboard. This is one of the fastest ways to clean up a recording and remove anything unnecessary. You can repeat that process as many times as you need. If your audio has a few mistakes or long pauses, just keep zooming, splitting, and deleting until the whole track flows smoothly. This is especially helpful for voiceovers, interviews, and talking videos where every second matters. Next, let's improve the overall mix using the Audio Settings panel on the right-hand side. When you select an audio clip on the timeline, CapCut opens a detailed audio settings panel in the top right corner of the screen. This panel gives you several free tools that can make a big difference in how your final video sounds. The first setting is volume control. Simply drag the volume slider left or right until the audio sounds balanced. If your audio is too loud, it can distort and sound harsh. A good thing to watch for is clipping, which happens when the waveforms start pushing into the red zone on the timeline meter. If you see that red warning, lower the volume until the sound is clean again. Another really useful tool is fade in and fade out. This helps your audio blend more naturally. For example, if you're adding background music, you can fade it in at the start so it doesn't come in too abruptly, and fade it out at the end so it doesn't stop suddenly. That small adjustment makes your edit sound much smoother and more professional. You should also try Loudness Normalization. This feature balances your audio to a standard internet-ready level, which is especially helpful if your clips were recorded at different volumes. Turning this on can save you a lot of time because it helps keep everything even without manually tweaking every single clip. If you're working with voice recordings that have background noise, the noise reduction option can be a huge help. Turn it on to reduce unwanted hums, fan noise, static, or room hiss. It won't fix every problem perfectly, but it can make messy audio sound much cleaner and easier to listen to. And if you want to get creative, check out the Voice FX tab in the same panel. This is where you can apply effects like deep or echo, or even change the pitch of the voice. These effects can be useful for stylized content, comedic edits, or gaming videos. Just use them carefully so they match the tone of your project. As you edit, keep listening back to the full sequence. A good audio edit is not just about removing bad sections, but also making sure the whole video feels smooth, balanced, and easy to follow. Music should support the voice, not overpower it. Voice should be clear, and transitions should feel natural. So to quickly recap, you can manage audio in CapCut PC by extracting audio from video, importing your own files, using the built-in audio library, splitting and deleting unwanted sections, and then fine-tuning everything with volume, fades, normalization, noise reduction, and voice effects. Once you know these tools, editing audio becomes much faster and a lot less intimidating. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more CapCut editing guides, and leave a comment if you want to see more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.